So on this bus, I'm having trouble. Original problem, the fuel gauge wasn't working, so they replaced the sending unit that's go inside the tank. So, and then they reflash the engine control module, ECM. They reflash the ECM. So, and then after that, I started working on it, and I noticed the RPM gauge doesn't work. So now I'm in wiring troubleshoots. I started from here, and I checked the wiring from here, and I checked the wiring from that goes there to here, goes here, that goes there, and then comes to here, and goes here, comes here. Everything's working. All the wirings are good. So, and I connect the computer. Transmission is Allison. So it's Allison program transmission. So I use Allison transmission program to look at the speed. So it does throw a signal inside the computer. Whenever you drive with the computer connected, it tells you how much speed you're going, but it doesn't show here. So now, after checking all these connections, not only check the connection, but replace this with a good one, this with a good one, replace the body control module with a good one, replace the instrument panel with a good one, replace the transmission control module with a good one, replace the ABS module with a good one. Everything's turned out to be the same. No problem solved. So the last thing I have left is the actual ECM to swap with a good one and see if it works. Now, if it doesn't work and all the wirings are good, I'm still in the same boat. So I guess wish me luck. This will be the last thing to check. And also the resistor is also good. It has 121 ohms on this one, which is good. So from there, that's it. So this is the bus. This control module is right here, and I can show you where everything is. Everything's apart right now. So this bus is a Bluebird with Cummins engine, and it has Bluebirds, Bluebird shit.